Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. This is how to use TAT if you've seen a scary movie and it stays with you or for your children. You can do this. Or if you've heard some scary news, either that's right out of your life, like something's happening with a family member, maybe someone fell sick, or something happened, someone you know was close to you was mugged, or just something happened in the world and it's on the news over and over and it's like boring its way into your mind and your emotions. So what you can do with TAT is simply do the pose and say to yourself, that happened, like this, that happened, it's over, and I'm okay. And for a child, you can have them do it for themselves. If they're up to age 12, they just cover these points and the hand in the back, and they can do it themselves if they're old enough with the thought, that was just a movie, or that happened, it's over, and I'm okay. My daughter saw a movie with these giant, like 30-foot cockroaches, or they were about that big in the movie, and she was really scared and distressed and having trouble going to sleep when she was really little. So we did a little bit of TAT. It took about 2 minutes, and she said, "Mom, they just ended up looking like little ants." And she was over it. So there you go. I hope this helps you. And if that doesn't do it, just go through all the steps of TAT and you'll be feeling better. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.